Listen, if you're an Amazon seller, I'm going to show you how you can actually profitably scale using products like this. And it really just comes down to having an advanced strategy. We don't want you guys to be doing what everybody else is doing, because if you're doing that, you're not going to get the results that you're looking for. 80% of sales are made on page 1 and 2 of Amazon. So if you're on page 1 and 2, you're part of the top 1%. You're there for a reason. You're there because you've differentiated yourself to elevate into the stratosphere that the top 1% are among. They're not using basic strategies, because if you're following typical processes, you can expect typical results, right? So if you're doing what everybody else is doing, expect to get the same results as them. And I promise you that those are not the people who are making the big bucks on these platforms. So as you can see here, we have it laid out, everyone else versus us here at Rank 1. And this is really going to be, everyone else is going to be 99% of your sellers. These are people who, go pay $500 to gurus, people who, really use basic tactics and are just searching on YouTube videos all day, right? Like, that's where you're going to find a majority of that type of information. Where here, us at Rank 1, we're teaching you the 7 and 8 figure strategies. This is going to put you at part of the 1%. Zan's done a really good job. Zan Sheikh, he's our founder. He's done a really, really good job of actually going to masterminds, breaking down the algorithm, learning what actually works on Amazon, and then also learning how to really drastically expand the economic side of things when it comes to your businesses as well. Because after you master the ranking, now it becomes more about business and how you're actually operating economically. And so you'll see the way we break it down is 99% of people are here, top 1% of people are here, and it starts with sourcing, right? That's the first step. So as you can see, 99% of people, they're going to be using Alibaba, okay? This is an expensive method. The reason why is because you'll quickly find out that the companies on Alibaba are not the true manufacturers. They're actually just middlemen, just like you may be on Amazon, right? So at the end of the day, you're not the true manufacturer. These people on Alibaba are not the true manufacturer. You'll actually learn that there's multiple layers in between, one being Alibaba and then 2 actually being the trading company who isn't the true manufacturer. And so what we do here is we have direct global relations. We teach you guys how to build this. This is instantly going to save you that 20 to 40% right off the bat, and that's going to allow you to be part of that top 1%, right? Is because you have better margin, you can outbid people before you break even. It just gives you more margin to actually play with and profit with. Second is going to be ranking. 99% of people, what I hear is PPC, which is Amazon sponsored ads, and then giveaways, right? Expensive. Again, these people think that sales is all that matters to the algorithm, which isn't true. And we teach you that here at Rank 1. We break down how you can actually have a more efficient system with a multi-channel algorithmic approach. And you'll learn more about this, but we have multiple advertising channels, and we can actually feed Amazon's algorithm the data it's looking for. That way, we have a more efficient process. We differentiate ourselves with the algorithm, and boom, we're right on top. Lastly is customer acquisition. A lot of people will be asking us, how do I get to that 7 and 8 figure level? And it's extremely hard to do if you're not building your customer acquisition list from the very beginning of your journey, right? This is a huge, huge advantage to you guys. 99% of sellers have no customer acquisition system. We teach you guys here how to build advanced customer lead gen systems, which actually allows you to get reviews, but then also remonetize your customers with affiliates, other products, sending them to your website, or even selling them an info product as well, which we've taught people how to do. And so customer acquisition is a huge piece that allows people to scale to 7 and 8 figures, because Amazon truly is the greatest front end of all time. So many customers there, but you cannot just toss them away after that first sale. You have to garner that relationship, and that's what's going to keep you in business for the long term. If you want to learn what we teach here, the edges that help our sellers be part of the top 1%, we actually have a program that goes through all of this. If you want to see if you'd be a good fit for this program, you can go ahead and click the link below, watch the free training. If it interests you, apply. You'll be able to book a call with our team. At that point, we'll be able to further discover our fit. And if it sounds good, we look forward to seeing you on the inside, where we've helped over 250 Amazon sellers really succeed with a top framework. And I really hope to see you on the inside. Peace.